I'll have to apologize for not making a video in a long time. I've gotten quite a few new subscribers, so I'll thanks to them, and thanks to all of you who are watching the videos. This video here is going to be about making some spacers between Motorcycle Hub and brake discs. The first picture here is the front spacer. I made 2 of those. It's kind of elaborate, or there is some weight saving measures on it because it was quite flat and lent itself to it, kind of. Sadly, I didn't get any video from making this set of spacers, so you'll just have to look at the model and a picture of the finished spacer at the end. This is the back side or front side, depending on how you look at it. Anyway, it's the side towards the hub. The second spacer is quite a bit less complicated. No weight saving measures on it. It is quite thick compared to the diameter difference on the inner and outer bolt circles, so not quite as easy to drill out and stuff. The material I had at hand were warping a little bit, so I didn't want to groove out the OD too much. I have some video of making the rear spacer, and some video of the programming or the model. Here's the first operation. We'll skip to the outer milling part. I'm going to make a spacer for this brake disc today. Here's the drawing. This is a strange disc. The inside diameter is 115.6 or something, and the holes are 8.6 or 8.7. So no rational dimension in either inches or metric, so we'll just have to do our best here. I made a ledge there for the disc to sit on because the holes doesn't match any normal bolts, so we'll have to center it that way. And here's the hub it's going on to. Suzuki of some sort, I think. It's just a matter of programming and turning the thing. Here's the first side of the second part. I've done the turning part on the first side here. So now we're going to drill holes and tap one set of holes. We'll turn this loaded up. The program is ready to go. there, one side is finished. Couldn't see anything when the tapping started, so that's cut off there. So our holes are for bolting to the hub, and these are for mounting the disc. There's the flange. The disc is really poor quality. Had to take down the diameter a lot compared to what I measured on some places on it. Here's the finished part. It was pretty straightforward. I had to cut some soft jaws to hold it on the second operation. It was okay. You can see the profile. I did this side first and that this side second.